And welcome back to Maryland's Cafe Society radio show here at 1340 WJOL, WJOL.com. And of course, I am Maryland.com. 111 is our time on this very first Saturday in the new year, 2014. Welcome to the show, everybody. Of course, we are within the broadcast area under a winter storm warning that's in effect until 6 p.m. tomorrow, Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service here in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which again is in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time on Sunday. Now, the snow will develop across this area by this afternoon and continue into Sunday. Periods of moderate to heavy snow this afternoon into Sunday could result in 5 to 10 inches of new snow accumulation, which, of course, can result in hazardous driving conditions. So be safe, everybody. Of course, there will be delays at area airports and otherwise. Now, along with brisk northwest winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour, we could experience some blowing and drifting snow, which of course can reduce visibility. So again, we are in a winter storm warning, which means heavy snow and hazardous driving conditions. So everybody, please keep that in mind as you plan the rest of your day. Other than that, expect our temperatures to fall to around 18 degrees tonight. And tomorrow, again, we'll wake up to accumulation of 1 to 3 inches of snow. And our temperature will hit about 18 degrees tomorrow. On Monday, as we start back to work, we, of course, can experience or have to deal with anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of snow, depending on where you live within the broadcast area. Other than that, there will be some intervals of clouds and sunshine. Our high for Monday is minus 14. That's right, I said it, minus 14. Now, I know some of you guys are going to blame this on me because recently, I think back in the fall, I talked about how we in the Chicagoland area were not experiencing some of the frigid cold weather that we experienced when I was a kid growing up in Chicagoland. Remember, we talked about how we had several days of sub-zero weather and even more days with the wind chill factored in of sub-zero weather. So don't blame this on me. It was merely an observation. And so here we are dealing with this. But yeah, Monday, the high is a negative 14. And our low on Monday night should be a negative 17. It looks like Tuesday we will warm up to just above zero. Our high on Tuesday is anticipated to be 2 degrees. Lots of sunshine, so it should feel a lot warmer. And as we progress into the week, by Wednesday, our high will be about 23 degrees. Lots of snow, however, and so forth. So, yeah. First 2 days of the week this week will be very, very cold. Right now, everybody, under overcast skies, we are experiencing a balmy 33 degrees here in the WJOL studios. Now, if you're out west in San Francisco, 67 is your high. Denver, hello, Denver, Colorado family, we love you. Temperatures near 60 in Detroit. Temperatures are in the mid-teens in Atlanta. Your temperature today should hit about 40 degrees. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, of course, since Thursday, most of the mid to eastern part of this country has been under the effects of a monster storm, what is called a monster storm, and it's reported that over 100 million people has been affected as a result of this monster storm. All the snow that was dumped here in this area, up in Arlington Heights, since Thursday, they have gotten over 18 inches of snow. And of course, out east in New York and along the eastern coast, they have been hit heavy with snow as well. And so the deep freeze will start tonight into tomorrow and last through Tuesday, so prepare. So all this bad weather means that there will be some havoc at the airports here within the broadcast area and probably around other parts of the country as well. But on Friday, Midway Airport had thousands of passengers who were waiting in lines for hours after Southwest Airlines canceled all flights through noon as a result of the disruptions caused by snow on this past Thursday. And those disruptions left hundreds of Southwest passengers stranded on the airport tarmac for more than 3 hours Thursday night. Now, Southwest said more than 130 of its 220 daily scheduled flights at Midway on Friday wound up canceled, and that problems were likely to continue through Saturday because of this weather that we are experiencing. And again, this is probably the same tune that's being sung around the country from the midsection all the way east to the East Coast. So just be prepared. And, the timing couldn't be worse, right? Because folks are, as I said, wrapping up the 2-week holiday break that most people have been on since the start of the Christmas season. And then, we get hit with this inclement weather that affects the traveling, needless to say. So we'll see how things go. Maybe perhaps our forecasters are wrong, right? Sometimes they are, so we'll just have to watch that and see. Now, with all the frigid weather especially coming into play, there are some precautions that we need to take as we move about our day, because here in the Midwest, we don't let a little snow and frigid weather stop us from doing what we have to do, right? So I'll take a look at that and share some tips with you when we come back after this quick break. Stay where you got it, everybody. It's another Saturday with Maryland's Cafe Society right here at 1340 WJOL, WJOL.com, and I am Maryland.com.